Hello. So the next educational website that I found that is free is CoolMath4Kids. So this one is strictly for the subject of math, which we could all always use some help on, and know I can. So it offers math games, there's lessons, quizzes, manipulatives, brain teasers, and a lot more. So my intended audience is for the students, but once again, also for parents and teachers. Um, because we can all benefit from this, if we don't get other teachers involved and parents, and how are the students going to learn it? I think it's important for the parents to know so the kids can continue this at home. And it's nice to collaborate with other educators on some good activities and websites for the kids. So the two ISTE standards for educational leaders that I chose for this website is 5-5A, which is set goals to remain current on emerging technologies for learning, innovations in pedagogy, and advancements in the learning sciences. So I want to stay current with all the technology now. It seems to always be, ever changing and all that fun stuff. So I think this is a good website that will be relevant and probably change with the times as well. And then the second ISTE standard I found would be 2-2E, share lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and the impact of learning with technology with other education leaders who want to learn from this work. So like I said, it's good to collaborate with other educators, and they might want to use this in their classrooms as well. I mean, it goes by you can do it by grade, so it goes to kindergarten to sixth grade, which is awesome. Or you can do it by topic. There's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and fractions. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on one. So let's see, let's do minus mission. Of course, there's always a little sound. So play, it's a fun game. It gives you little instructions on how to play. Content ranges from 1 to 12, and you can even change that. So let's say I just want to do to 10, and you can change how fast or slow it goes. So I'll do normal. So 1 minute is your time, and this is stage 1 of 6. Start. So you want 2. So I'm going to say 4 minus 2 is 2. You just click. 2 again. 3 minus 1 is also 2. 3. 6 minus 3. And 1 would be 5 minus 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. And so on and so forth. So I think it's just a fun educational math site that will be great for kids kindergarten through sixth grade. Thank you.